guys, welcome back to another episode of 33 Questions with Jamaica Observer. And today we have another special guest, and we're going to allow him to introduce himself.
Sing it, Tarrus Riley here, sing at Jamaica. Enough respect, peace and love. I go on.
So up, so down, so oh you make it move, dip so back so oh you make it move, so dip so back so oh you make it move. Yeah, baby, oh you look like that. Whoa, you must be a gift from God. Oh gosh, could this be true? Oh you make it move like that. Oh, you make it move so. I just really want to know if you spend time alone, is it like that? Like that, just like that.
All right. Tarrus, we want you to tell us where we can find you on social media.
Yeah, well, you can find me as long as you spell my name properly. Tarrus. Tarrus. Tarrus Riley. J-A. Yeah, so that is everything. Instagram, Facebook,
Vivo,
everything. Tarrus, if I misspell the name, Tarrus, right? Not the zodiac sign, you know.
Tarrus.
Tarrus. Tarrus. And you're good. Yeah, Tarrus Riley, J-A. And you'll find the same place.
All right, so I'm being told that you have some other names. Everybody knows you as Tarrus Riley, but...
Yeah, we name Singy. Yeah, because, you know, it's not talky, it's Singy. And then we have we name Singy Kravitz. Because sometimes we just give them a different style, so Singy Kravitz. Then you have T4000. Because I'm sure you heard about Andre 3000.
Yeah.
With a T4000.
So
that I when me I get some, you know. So some little joke with me and my brethren them run. Sometimes them call me Tarpy. You know, like a torpedo, the musical torpedo.
Yeah, torpedo.
So, you know. But it's just different vibe. Everybody feel different. Some days you feel like the energy up and next day you feel. And, you know, so it's just different ways how we feel. I would just run joke and just call ourselves.
Some of the rhythms are the songs that you have.
Yeah.
Them have different vibes based on the name. So how do you decide now?
Who forget the T4000 and who forget the singing? Well, me not tell them a recipe still, you know. But watch this now. You know, many moods have singing. Many moods have people. Out of many, one people. Still there's many feelings. So sometimes, you know, you want to listen to some music will make you dance. And next time you want to listen to some music will make you meds. So, you know, Tarrus Riley, you know, you will have meds, lion paw. Singing, you know, say, we are singing all night live in concert.
She's royal and everything there.
You understand me? Then you have a next time now when I sing a Kravitz now. And you get, who can you them? I go
feel me say.
You understand me? Then you have a next thing, them T4000 with the new song, just like that. And the woman them a dip and wine. And so, you know, but it's always clean and it's always classy. And, you know what I mean?
Fun.
Yeah, right, true. And we not disrespect nobody, but we have to express ourselves. Because, you know, you're an artist and people want you to be the best artist and you have to be your best artist you can be. So you know what, when time comes to deal with the music, you're one-dimensional. It is in style now. Everybody wants to
Versatility.
Yeah, that is the new talk, but we did that from day one. Because when we do be here, because they shot at them shop, that was for the road boy them. We still sing, been together for a while now, for the girls them. So we always know for balance.
And girl gone bad and...
Yeah, all right. Because, you know, this is Jamaica and the people, them know music and them listen only for different station, for different feeling. If I can have a song for every kind
station.
I win.
And every type of entertainment event.
I mean, I have to switch for do it. I mean, I have to sing, contract in your... you know what I mean?
What did you want to do when you were growing up?
Music. I always wanted the music. My father, rest in peace to the late, great Mr. Jimmy Riley. You know, every little youth, a lot of times they want to be like them father. I wanted to be like my old man. He was the coolest person in the world, but I never liked his music. Not that he couldn't sing, because I couldn't relate to his music.
Oh, okay.
Because my father and Barry Salmon and Freddie McGregor, them man their age. My uncle look like my old man, but me still a youth, you know.
Yeah,
so
young
we grew up
youth.
and sizzle them music and, you know, bound to them music and them things. So we are beat pan this kind of DJ.
From
so,
high school days.
Yeah,
Which
so
high school did you go to?
Not even high school. Before, in a church, where they run at the back of the church. And them I say, weird. You see me? So we always love music, but dancehall music was my love for music. Me never, all right, I give you a joke. Singing, never like singing.
You like DJ?
Yep. No, I never like a specific DJ. Me like dancehall music. Because at the time, singing music was like a soft thing. No disrespect, but you see like some great man, like Sanchez. At the time when me the young, me never know them great enough. Come and sing, no, lead me. And I say, me don't want to hear that. Me want to hear Buju Montana. People I say, yeah. And I walk and I make up all my face and kerchief type and I have to hide from my mother and do it still. You know.
Okay, a church boy.
Yeah, but still, that was the kind of music. So even though my father was a musician, I never really could relate to his music. I want to be like him, you know, just how he move, but I don't want to do the music with him do. So, that is how the root I start. So we just listen to some dancehall, and again, big up my old man, because we used to go to the studio long before me even have sense. So I know Sly and Robbie from the little youth, them remember me. You know?
You think that helped your music career?
It helped everything because I have experience in a studio. When I tell my friend them about studio, tell my friend, say, yo, I say, put your banta, and them say, you're lying.
Lie,
See him.
And then train on the phone if you take no picture and
Nah,
like that,
right,
they can't even say.
Like the biggest liar. But I see the man for real, in person, and I'm a father friend. I said, no man, this is it. I'm going to my room and jump on my bed. But
What's the name of the first song you wrote?
my song,
Yeah.
first song I write,
How old were you?
I was a little youth. I want to get a girl, you know. A little girl I did like. So me and my brethren, I tell my brethren about this girl, you know, we write a song named Greatest Creation.
You remember it?
Woman
Where
are the
you go?
greatest creation.
Where you go? You remember it?
Yeah. Like me I say, woman, you are the greatest creation. Prettiest thing me ever see on the island. But me never get the strength to go DJ for that. I'm a bit shy.
You're soft, man. You're shy. You're
No,
shy.
yeah, me a little youth. I want me not shy. No. But them time them shy, cause, you know, me I write me little lyrics. And I say, suppose she not like it.
Well, no, so if she hear it now, she don't like it.
Well, she like everything now. She must like everything now. Yeah, but, you know, that was it. We just love music from that time. And if people talk about music expressing yourself, that was how I was, you know, I write a song, I want to impress a little girl, I write a lyrics that I express myself. Maybe I couldn't talk it to her, because if I did shy to sing to her, you know, I really couldn't go talk to her. So, you know.
So life experiences influence your music or inspire your music. What is happening around you?
Yeah, my life experiences, everyone watching, your life experiences, your experiences. Experience is a big word, you know. And life is a broad, you know, spec of things what happen in life, you know. So when you really check it out, sometimes we go through something. Sometimes my brethren go through something. Sometimes reasoning with the observer in an interview lead to a song. So we always want.
So what song will come out of this? You drop me the credits?
Maybe. Maybe. But
yeah,
you know,
drop me the credits, man.
like, you know, you can't really tell yourself how to be inspired. It's just good that we can recognize inspiration when we see it. So sometimes, like, all right, me sing some love song. Some woman write me sometime on Instagram, have me as the sweetest lover boy in the world. I say, yo, him nice. And I know my reason that some of the things them see my friend them go through, me sing about them. You know?
So it's just experiences around and not
Some of
necessarily
them are personal to me,
Mm-hmm.
and some of them are just things I me see. I always start this, and I want to talk it again. Inspiration. If you break down the word, this is a word. Inspiration. In spirit action. So it get in your spirit, ATION, action. Communication, the act of commune. You know what I mean? You communicate.
And then the action on
Yes,
it,
so
you bring out the action.
Yes, it go in our spirit, we get our meds and we Asian it. To the nation it.
What is your favorite song that you wrote?
My favorite song is always the song I'm working on at the time. I don't have an all-time favorite. Some of them, though, would be like maybe Burning Desire. I love that one. I like Lion Paw. But really, it just depends on the time which part I'm alive. That is my favorite song. We write enough song, you know. So, even right now, rest in peace again to my father. Me and my father have a song named Pull Up Selector. It would be a favorite, just remembering my father and the soul vibe.
And then because he would have inspired your music.
Yes, so music, people's favorite song is them sentiments. So a man love a woman, at the height of them relationship, them say she's royal, because a woman is a queen. When them left next year, he must say, don't come back, a different song. You know? And that is the real world. So that is how I stay to, you know, my favorite song. It just depends on the mood I'm in.
Good.
Yeah?
All right, your new song,
Yeah.
Just Like That. What inspired that? Was that a personal experience?
No,
or?
man, not. I mean, dip and wine, uncle. I know me.
That you.
I see that. No, man, Frost have a nice rhythm. You want to sing up on the rhythm. Singer just say, all right, vibes it. When I just show them, I'm a bridge them, Runkus, them big up Runkus, you know, up and coming great youth. Remus there. We just start listening to the rhythm and I say, yo, make something for the woman them. And me to do a song before that name Easy, you know. But me I show off, because the rhythm name Style. So me I show them say Rasta have style. So I say, alright, no matter what, give them a song for the woman. Them, you know we always sing for the girls. So just like that is a song for the girls, them dance and get groovy.
Alright.
And you know, say, yeah, I lighter. Lead
Inspiration
to that.
behind
you know, me love
lighter.
Shensia. And me just love Shensia. You hear some, me to tell you say me love Shensia.
No, you never tell. Tell me again, what you say?
Me love Sheng Yang.
Here you know.
Yeah,
I want to say it one more time.
Yeah, Shensia. Me love her.
Yeah.
Yeah, big respect. Me love her like I'm a family. That is me and Ramesh, I'm a family. I can't say me love him like that because you would take it away, but me love Ramesh, I'm a brother. You know what I mean? And we were all supposed to do some music and we never get the chance until doing the Healing album. Because me have album named Healing, we were right when the COVID just strike. And we said, boom.
So that would have been an experience that would have pushed.
Yeah, man, it was great and lighter. It's counting. We're going to hold up a million views and counting. And that is the kind of music we like make. For people feel nice, for feel lighter, for feel nice.
Which brings me to the question of relatability, because you were saying that you never really love your father's music because you couldn't relate to it.
Yeah, because I'm a little youth and I'm a big man.
So you now go through them struggles the way I go
relate
through.
now, though. I really relate now.
So how important is relatability when you're writing your music?
It's everything. 'Cause if people don't relate to your music, then
They're
your
not
music
gonna
don't
enjoy
have
it.
yeah, your argument now no teeth. As my grandmother used to say, your argument don't have any teeth.
Just
you know?
mouth, gum.
Yeah, there's no substance in it. So you have to be able to relate to an artist personally and also his music. I think the great artists, that's how them live on. Bob Marley was a man where you could relate to. You know, you hear him sing and you can say, yeah.
Because even though he sang a lot about slavery and black empowerment, even though slavery isn't in now, black empowerment is still a thing that we're working towards.
Well, slavery in, you know, is just a different kind of slavery. Not physical slavery.
Not physical.
But slavery is still popping, man. Slavery is trending.
So we still will relate to those even for years to come.
Yeah, and that's what we want to do. We want to make some music that is everlasting, but we still want to make music today because we want people to know that we're not before our time and we're not gone in the past. I'm right on time because I was there, I am here, and I'm planning to be there.
Current. So you're trying to be current.
Yeah. Not trying to be, because if I was trying to be, then I wouldn't know how to be. I'm just being myself. I'm here, you know. So if I'm here, then I'm current. I'm off now, but we have deep roots, and we're looking to the future and preserving our health. So we want to be there, yeah.
Because health is important. Health is wealth.
Health is everything to me.
All right, versatility. We spoke about that a little before the interview about knowing when to switch up. Depending
Whenever
on
switch up.
Not switch up, but knowing.
With those switch up, that's a good thing. The people them say, singer, we are dealing with one bag of talk to. Remember me to tell you some Shaka Zulu Pitney. Singer, we are dealing with one bag of ice. Remember me to say Raya. Me not switch. Me just growing. I'm giving you more.
Versatility.
Yeah, not even that comment. Me say give you more. Coming like it's like a new phone. It's the same phone, you know, but more features.
T5000.
Yeah, that went time forward. But right now, a T4000.
All right.
But we're just giving you more music. You know, we want all the ears in the world. We want to please our fans. We're blessed to travel the world and meet people, and you know, our people at Jamaica give us the strength and say, "Go through singing." So I can't go like me in sense. But there was a song with Ellie Goulding, powerful. There's a energy when you hold me. That come like a rock tune.
Yeah.
What kind that? No reggae. That's our. But we can deal with it and represent and show them say yes. We can't get any style. It's buffet style, you know.
So
but it's an ital buffet.
So no chicken in there?
No, not in my place. It's an ital buffet.
No meat, just
yeah, but trust
grass.
Me, it's full of flavor.
And it still tastes good.
Yeah.
All right, what can we expect from you in the near future?
Expect the unexpected. Any day you can expect me, that means I'm not doing my job properly. You just need to expect class and quality. Don't expect nothing else.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
See myself in 5 years. I always hear that question. I don't know if I answer that, you know, because 5 years ago we never know about COVID. So I would like to see myself healthy and strong and making music and helping artists and producing music and writing music healthy and strong. That's what I would like to see myself.
What advice can you give to a new artist that's coming up now? Probably frustrated, nobody now listen to music, and it's harder now because of COVID, so there are less events, less ways to probably spread your music. What advice do you have to?
The advice I always give everyone, not only musicians, but even kids and family and friends. Listen to the voice inside of you. That voice can give you all advice. That voice, nice. You see me? Because everyone know when them feel like them put on a couple pounds, I don't need to work out. Everyone know when them never do them best. Everybody know when them never try them best. So I don't have to come tell a man say, yo,
You never try your best that
this
time
is the
here.
advice and that is the advice, and Ray. You have to just follow your own advice. You see me? And to me, if you follow your own advice, everything nice.
Good stuff. All right, thank
Yeah.
you for joining us, Tarrus.
It's true.
Again, please tell us where we can find you on social
Yeah, well, you
media.
can find me in Jamaica land we love, you understand me? Yeah, but if you're looking for me in the World Wide Web where everything is confusing, make sure you spell my name properly. Tarrus, Tarrus Riley.
All right, thanks
Tarrus
again for
Riley,
joining us.
J.A. See? Big respect and thank you for the love and support. Keep listening and we'll keep giving you the good music. We're just getting started.
All right, guys, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell everybody. And
So watch Tarrus Riley interview because it's nice and full of vibes.
definitely what he
Yeah.
said. All right, until next time, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Bless up, bless up, bless up.